Lin Du prepared an 8-page year-end report, detailing the core modules she developed, write down 470,000 lines of code, and completed 127 version iterations. Zhou Hao's 35-page presentation was titled, From Zero to One, detailing how he led the team on an 8 million yuan project. He delivered it with great passion on stage. In the project's early days, it was just me and Lin Du. She handled the foundational coding, while I oversaw the overall architecture and management. That phrase, basic coding, erased all of Lin Du's hard work. He kept mentioning my coordination and teamwork, but never mentioned Lin Du's name again. The CTO praised his significant improvement in management. When it was Lin Du's turn, she finished his 8 slides in 4 minutes. The CTO only asked a few questions about code standards. There was no other year-end evaluation. Zhou Hao got an A with a 2.5 bonus multiplier, receiving 50,000 yuan. Lin Du got a B+ with a 1.2 multiplier, and only got 18,000 yuan. That day, Lin Du sat at her desk late into the night. Xiao Zhang texted, asking when she'd be back. Change the bug in my heart. In the 8th month, a major system failure occurred. 30,000 order records were lost. At 2 a.m., Zhou Hao's client, CTO, kept blowing up Lin Du's phone. She got out of bed and worked through the night. At 3:30 a.m., he found Zhou Hao had messed up the database pool. She wanted to screenshot and send it to the group, but deleted it in the end. She spent 2 hours writing a data recovery script. By 5:30 a.m., all data was recovered. She told Zhou Hao that the problem was solved, but Zhou Hao posted in the work group, stating, after investigation, a server expansion caused a configuration conflict. Lin Du and I completed the data recovery together. We'll optimize the process. He had slept the whole night, yet claimed credit for Lin Du's 3.5 hours of solo work. The next day, the CTO praised Zhou Hao's decisive handling in the group. Zhou Hao again credited good teamwork. No one asked about Lin Du, that Lin Du who coded through the dawn. In the 9th month, Lu Ting, a project manager from a big tech firm, joined. After checking Git logs, she told Lin Du, you wrote 80% of Xian's code. I judge people by work, not presentations. It was the first time in 3 years someone saw her true value. But Lu Ting had no authority over the tech department. Nothing changed. For Xian Phase 2, the client added 2 million yuan. Zhou Hao confidently promised completion in 3 months. He took charge of the technical plan himself, assigning Lin Du to handle the actual implementation. Lin Du spent 2 weeks writing a 42-page technical plan. Zhou Hao just added some management perspective. Changed Lin Du responsible for development to tech team, and put his name on the cover. During Phase 2's critical phase, Lin Du worked 120 hours of overtime in a month. The longest stretch was 38 hours straight, sleeping on a camp bed at the office. While Zhou Hao only works 8 hours overtime, all spent dining with clients. During the CTO's inspection, Zhou Hao pointed at the Java board to claim credit. When asked who wrote the smart scheduling algorithm, he replied, I designed the framework, the team implemented it. The CTO looked at Lin Du, who only said the core module was 80% complete, with 85% unit test coverage, and had never caused a production bug. Before leaving, the CTO told Zhou Hao he'd recommend him for top employee. At year-end, the layoff list was released. 2 spots in tech, and Lin Du was shockingly on it. HR said company performance was poor, and claimed her role was easily replaceable. Lin Du confronted Zhou Hao, demanding answers. Zhou Hao first evaded, then, when exposed, turned to blame her. You don't know how to showcase yourself. Your code could be perfect, but if the boss doesn't see it, it's useless. This industry is full of people who can do the work. The hard part is making others see your value. Lin Du looked at him, and said calmly. The Xian system's core code uses Spanish variable names, with abbreviations annotated as classical poetry. I never intended for anyone else to understand it, because I thought I'd always be here. After saying this, she turned and left, leaving only a pale-faced Zhou Hao behind.